Hello class, this is Mr. Vargas and this is the tutorial for our second Scratch project. And before I jump into the specifics of the second project, I did want to I had a few questions about how to submit work, and I just wanted to just go over that. And basically, you don't have to submit work. As long as you join my class, you any work that you do and that you hit share, I can see. So for example, here's one of my classes, Intro to Programming, and if I go to students, then I can see the students that are in that class. And if I click on one of the students in that class, I can see all of their shared projects. So this student has only completed the first one, like most of you have. Um, but as you keep doing work, I will see all of your work down here. So yeah, you don't have to send me a URL or anything like that. I know some students were sending me their URLs to their projects. You don't have to do any of that as long as you join the class correctly. If you notice you have a 0 in Power Teacher for the first project, for the animated name project, and you know you did it, then there was an issue. So if that is the case, then definitely contact me. But if you did the work and you shared it, you should have the grade in Power Teacher, and you're all set. So this is how you're just gonna do all of your work from now on. All right. So this week our project is gonna be called the Conversation Project. So notice I hit Create, and I'm gonna rename this Conversation Project. And before I start coding, let me just go over the requirements, and these will be on Google Classroom as well. But if you want to get 100 on this assignment, you're gonna need a background. That's pretty easy. We've done that before. You're going to need 3 characters. I don't really care who they are, but 3 characters. I want them to talk. So that's the whole point of this project. However, I don't want them to just talk when you click on them, like the animated name project worked. I want them to talk when you hit the green flag. So when you hit the green flag, a conversation should begin. I want each character to say at least 3 things. And then finally, the challenging part about this whole assignment and the whole point of it is I want the characters to be polite. And basically, I don't want them to talk over each other. I want them to wait until the other ones are done. And in order for you to make that happen, you're going to have to try to understand how code operates, and you're going to have to learn how to have things wait for another object to complete something, and it's going to require a little bit of planning. So that's really the only challenging part of this project. All right, so over here I got my project, and I have let's add the background. That's pretty easy. So you can pick any background you want. Let's see what we're gonna go with. Let's go with this school background. So we have a school, and we're gonna have 3 characters having a conversation in front of the school. By default, you're given this little cat guy. You can leave him if you want. I'm gonna get rid of him. And let's add 3 characters. So let's add, it's a school, so it's probably some kids from school talking. So let's add Abby. She's over here. Let's add Avery. Avery's gonna be over here. Let's add one more. Let's see who like fits in. Like these guys are like photorealistic. Let's see. Let's add Devin. So we got Devin right here. And all right. So before I start coding, I don't like the way these guys are all positioned. I'm gonna put Devin up here. He's looking like forward. Abby's looking this way. Avery, I see she's just looking away from them, so I want to flip her. So if you go to directions, you can go like this, and then flip a character, and then now she's looking the right way. But the only problem is she's upside down. So I'm going to go back to direction, and what you want to do is over here there are different like rotation types. The default like will make them go all the way around, but we're going to use this left right rotation style. So as soon as I click that, she's pointed the right way. All right, so we're ready to go. Our conversation's ready to start, and let's start with Abby. So when the green flag is clicked, remember, I don't want her to talk when you click on her. I want her to talk when you click the green flag. When you click that green flag, a whole conversation should start. All right, so let's go to events, right? Events, this is what makes code run, right? We used when the sprite is clicked event with the last project. Now we're going to use when the green flag is clicked event. So when the green flag is clicked, I want Abby to say is under looks, and we're going to use the say hello for a certain amount of seconds because we want to keep track of how long different how long it takes them to talk, because we need to keep track of that so that they don't talk over each other. So we're going to have her say, hey Avery, hey Avery, what's up? And then Avery is going to respond. So let's click on Avery's character and let's add another when green flag is clicked. And here's a little hint, guys. All three of your characters are going to have when green flag is clicked. So Abby had said, hey Avery, what's up? So Avery's going to say, nothing much. Do you know what's for lunch? Now, I actually made an error on purpose, right? When I hit the green flag, look at what happens. They talk over each other. I want her to talk, then I want her to talk. So I want Abby to talk, and then Avery will talk only after Abby's done. So let's go back to Abby. Abby talks for 2 seconds. So that's how long it takes her to say this. So Avery, before she responds, we want her to just do nothing for 2 seconds. Well, there's a block for that. Under control, there's a block called wait. So let's throw a wait in there, and we're going to make her wait 2 seconds. So she's going to say, so Abby's going to say, so let's test it. Hey, Avery, what's up? Nothing much. Do you know what's for lunch? So now let's have Abby respond. So inside over here, we're going to make Abby say, and I'm doing an error on purpose because I want you to see what happens when you don't do this correctly. Abby is gonna say, no. Devin, do you know? All right. So when I hit play, hey Avery, what's up? And then notice the second line. She said it at the same time. Again, you want her to say something, then you want her to say something, then you want there to be a pause, and then she responds. Right? Not a pause, but you want Abby to let Avery finish before Abby starts talking again. So again, we're gonna use the wait block. This time you're gonna put it in between. So wait 2 seconds. Actually, wait 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. So let's hit the green flag. Let's see how this works. Hey Avery, what's up? Nothing much. Do you know what's for lunch? No. Devin, do you know? All right, and then we're gonna have, so again, when the green flag is clicked, so that's under events, when the green flag is clicked, and we're gonna have Devin say, yup, it's Taco Tuesday. All right, but again, you're probably right now saying, Mr. Vargas, you didn't put the wait in there, right? But the question is, how long should he wait? All right, so think about this. This takes 2 seconds. Then this takes 2 seconds. Then this takes 2 seconds. So we're at 6 seconds. So before Devin says, yup, it's Taco Tuesday, you want him to wait 2 seconds or 6 seconds. So let's see how that works. Green flags. Hey Avery, what's up? Nothing much. Do you know what's for lunch? No, Devin, do you know? Yup, it's Taco Tuesday. So so this is, and again, I want each character to say 3 things. So this is just the beginning of the project. You're gonna make, Devin should say 2 more things. Abby needs to say 1 more thing. Avery still needs to say 2 more things. So you're gonna have to come up with a conversation that you want your characters to have. Again, don't copy this. Don't do the same exact conversation. I want you to have your own characters. They don't have to be human. They can be animals. They can be robots. I don't really care. You can have fun with it. You can do humor. You can keep it simple. the one thing is you have to make sure they don't talk over each other. And yeah, and you might, maybe it'll help you to have a little script written out. But I want you, so that's the main point of this project. So once you're done, you hit share, and now the project will be shared, and I'll be able to go check it out and give you your grade. So that is our second Scratch project. So good luck, and if you have any questions, just comment in Google Classroom or send me an email. All right, have a good week. See you later.